Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another episode where we dissect and explore a new English word. Today's word is clip. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly is a clip? As a B2 level noun, a clip refers to a short video or piece of video, often extracted from a longer recording. Think of it as a snapshot, but in video form. You might see a clip of a movie scene, a sports highlight, or a funny moment from a TV show. It's a concise segment designed to capture a specific moment or highlight. Now, let's explore some synonyms. Words that share a similar meaning to clip. One good synonym is segment. For example, did you see the news segment about the environmental crisis? Another synonym is excerpt. We can use it like this. The professor played an excerpt from a famous speech to illustrate his point. We can also use the word snippet. Imagine this sentence. I only saw a snippet of the game, but it looked exciting. Another synonym for clip is portion. An example could be, a small portion of the interview was broadcasted. Finally, we can use fragment. The historian found a fragment of the old film. Now, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms, words with the opposite meaning. An antonym for clip could be entirety. Think of this. I watched the film in its entirety, not just a clip. Another antonym is whole. An example, the whole presentation was captivating, not just a clip of it. Another is complete. For example, I have the complete collection of the series. We can also use full as an antonym. The full concert was incredible. And finally, we have long version. For example, the long version of the interview had more details. How can you use clip in everyday life? Well, imagine you're talking to a friend about a funny TV show. You might say, "Did you see the clip of that comedian's latest performance? It was hilarious." Or, if you're discussing a sports game, you could ask, have you seen the highlight clip of that amazing goal? Clip is also commonly used when talking about online content. For instance, I saw a short clip on YouTube about cooking Italian food. Or, this TikTok clip went viral overnight. Here are a few more usage examples in sentences and phrases. I'm making a compilation clip of my vacation memories. The news channel showed a clip of the president's speech. She shared a clip of her dog doing a funny trick. The movie trailer was just a short clip of the full film. Can you send me that clip from the interview? He posted a clip on Instagram. The clip went viral. A clip from the film. A funny clip. Share the clip. So, to recap, a clip is a short video or a piece of video. We explored synonyms like segment, excerpt, snippet, portion, and fragment. We also looked at antonyms such as entirety, whole, complete, full, and long version. And we discussed how you can use clip in everyday conversations. I hope you found this episode helpful in expanding your English vocabulary. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. Before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support really helps others find our show, and it motivates us to keep creating more valuable content for you. Also, I have a fun challenge for you. Try creating your own sentence using the word clip and share it as a comment under this video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Your participation will help solidify your understanding of the word. See you next time on Hello Word. Remember to practice using clip in your daily conversations to make it a part of your active vocabulary. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep exploring the wonderful world of words. Bye for now.